guys. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much for your birthday wishes. Thank you, Jatin. Hi, Arpia. I'm just gonna take some names real quick. Hi, Devi. Hi, Ayush. Hi, everybody's joining. Oh, we have already 40,000 people joined. Thank you so much for your birthday wishes. I know I haven't been able to check out like the edits because I'm planning to take like one day off and like sit and check the edits. Oh my god, it's so bright. It's so bright here. Why is it so sunny? Well, it's not sunny here. It's actually not. But yeah, it's so beautiful. The weather is beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dada. Thank you, Harsh Dada. How are you? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Happy birthdays. Oh my god, 60,000 people have joined with me. So, thank you. Enjoy your day. I am having such a great time in Udaipur. Udaipur is so beautiful. Let me just show you the view. So it's beautiful. Udaipur is just so beautiful. I have never been to Udaipur. For some people who don't know, I have never been to Udaipur. Like not even for an event. So I have always wanted to come here and see this place because it's so beautiful and so clean, so nice. And my parents just planned this trip, and I didn't know about this, so I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Hi Divyadi, thank you so much. Big hug, all the best for Big Boss OTT. I saw your picture. All the best. Thank you so much. Happy birthday Anushka from Akansha. Thank you. What? You should change your bio from 18 to 19. Oh yeah. I have to do that. You're so beautiful. Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you so much. When and what did they tell you for the trip? They didn't. They just told me a day ago, like, we are going somewhere. So I was like, okay, I don't know what place. And one day ago, like one day before the flight was there. And that too because, they knew that I needed outfits and all of that. And even, I didn't know it's Udaipur. So I literally this piece is so beautiful. I shopped as soon as we landed. Like I landed and then we were looking for shops where I can find like a nice, outfit for Udaipur. So I bought some outfits. So yeah. Oh, I'll take a picture. Okay. Happy birthday. Thank you. What was your reaction when you got to know about the surprise by your parents? I was so happy and excited because I didn't expect it, and also because most of the birthdays I've been in Mumbai or somewhere else. So not I've not really been out on my birthday, but this year I am, so I'm very happy. Thank you so much. Yes, I've turned 19 today. Thank you. Thank you so much. You look so pretty. Thank you. And thank you so much for all the wishes for Khatro also, Khatro Ki Khiladi. I'm so happy. And the kind of comments that I'm getting, the kind of reactions that I'm getting after every stunt, it's just really really sweet. So thank you. Hi Chetan. Hi Shweta. No problem, no problem, it's okay. Happy birthday to you. Thank you Titli. Thank you. ये इतना सुंदर है ना ये जगह, एंड इफ यू कैन हियर like जो भी आवाज़ आ रही है, like the atmosphere is just water, pigeons and birds. So yeah. What's your hope in your age 19? So my hope for my 19th birthday is just happiness. Every year I just wish for happiness, and I just wish that I wish for health, so that I'm healthy enough to work and keep doing different projects. I just wish that I can continue to do different projects and surprise you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna try that, and I'm gonna work hard even more than last year. It's so beautiful. It's really so beautiful. I love this art also. Thank you, Siddha. Thank you so much. Yay, birthday. So see this. This is so pretty. That art is so pretty. We have roses also here. So many roses. This is for the full look of my Thank you. I thought so. Every time on my birthday, I'm wearing something Western, a hoodie or something, a nice one piece. It's, something what I usually every time I do that. But this time I thought, why not do something different? Like, क्योंकि मैं उदयपुर में हूँ तो उदयपुर जैसा, outfit पहनने में और मजा आएगा. So yeah, can I put my phone more? I think I can. There's more light here. Keep it here. Best wishes for your future. Thank you so much. Thank you. Your best outfit. I love when you wear ethnic. Thank you. It's Ashmita's birthday. Can you wish her? She's a Leo too. Happy birthday, Ashmita. There's so many Anushkin's birthday this week. I just saw every day it's like some Anushkin's birthday, and everybody's a Leo, like all of those people. So yeah, all my Leo partners, happy birthday. All the Leo guys, whoever's birthday is on 4th, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you, Nishi Sonkar. Thank you, Sanvi. Happy birthday, Dee. Oh, thank you. I never got the chance to appreciate you in KK. You did really good job. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi all the Anushkians. Thank you so much for your edits and comments. Thank you for your birthday wishes. आप लोग हर साल मेरे birthday को और special बना देते हो. So thank you for that. Yeah, that's it. I just want to say that you guys make me so much more happier. Every birthday I feel so special. So thank you for making me feel so special. Happy birthday, cutie. Thank you. Suits look so pretty on you. Oh, there's a pigeon. Did it come inside? No, it didn't. Hi, bad bleeps. Hi, all my Nishkins. Hi, all the groups. Hi to every 60,000 people are here. So 60,000 people, happy Anushkin's Day. I saw somebody write that. Happy birthday, Anushka ma'am. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you. Happiest birthday, beautiful. Thank you so much. Who is a pigeon? Wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you. I have pizza, but I party alone. No problem. I miss Sindra. I know, even I miss Sindra. Please post some pictures. Yes, I will do that. I will. Absolutely, I'll do that. Happy birthday, cutie, Khatre Khiladi. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Anushka Di. Thank you. Hi Neil. Hi Vaishnavi. Some pose. Happy birthday, prettiest. Thank you so much. Thank you. Happy birthday, cute sister. Love you. Allah आपको खुश रखे. धन्यवाद धन्यवाद. Your earrings, please post some pictures in this outfit. I will definitely. Hi Anushka. Hi Chandan. Happy birthday to future Miss Universe. Okay, that's big. Thank you. Don't forget to save this live. No, I won't. I will save this live. Your whole look is so beautiful. Wow, thank you. Thank you so much. Can you say hi, Sahil, Swastika, Abhi, Anam, Sanaya, Almira, Ifi? Happy birthday, Anushka. Thank you. Thank you so much. Comments, I'm repeating again because it really means the world to me. So thank you so much. Take care, guys. I am gonna go now and, you know, celebrate my birthday. And you guys take care. I'm gonna be like fully connected with you guys. So, bye.